Hi and welcome. I'm Amy Neiman, VP of Customer Success here at Data.World. And with me today is Anoop Lala, Vice President of Data and Insights at Okta. Hi, Anoop.
Hi, Amy. Good to see you.
It's nice seeing you. I'm so glad we get to do this together. Well, there's so many things we could talk about, but today we're going to chat about data trends and transformations that you're seeing experiencing. But before we start, I'd like to hear a little bit more about Okta.
I'd love to, and thanks, Amy, for letting me be a part of this. Okta is the leading independent identity provider. The Okta Identity Cloud enables organizations to securely connect the right people to the right technologies at the right time. With more than 7,000 pre-built integrations to applications and infrastructure, Okta provides a simple and secure access to people and organizations everywhere. More than 15,000 organizations trust Okta to protect the identities of their workforce and their customers.
Well, I know that we're a happy customer, and so definitely have had that experience. Wow. Well, let me go ahead and jump right in with some questions. How's that sound?
That sounds wonderful.
Wonderful. Great. Well, first off, how do you define data strategy and maybe share your data strategy there at Okta?
Can I share a video with you, Amy?
I'd love that. Fantastic.
Are you looking for a way to make faster, smarter business decisions? Are you spending too much time managing spreadsheets rather than analyzing your business? Would you rather spend your time making accurate business decisions with data that you trust? For Okta to continue to enhance customer experience, drive growth, and foster innovation, data will play a key role. The Data and Insights team empowers the enterprise with trusted data for Okta to make faster, smarter business decisions. On the Data and Insights team, we focus on 3 pillars. The first is trust. Developing trust in our data by ensuring data definitions are clear and quality standards are met. This will be achieved by the data governance construct with representatives from business teams across the enterprise. This data governance construct will enable broader access to data in support of our data democratization initiatives. Second is transparency, a key component of the corporate VMT. Transparency means developing tools like Compass to support self-service reporting and analytics, and grassroots analytics community initiatives. And third, technology, which provides the stability for us to innovate and power the next generation of insights. We make sure that our existing systems can scale with the organization and support new advanced use cases using machine learning. Our goal is no more uncertainty. Now you can make confident decisions with trusted data. Come be a part of our information revolution at Okta. Join our analytics community first by becoming part of the conversation in the Analytics Community Slack channel, where you will get first access to exciting events like storytelling with data, hear about upcoming trainings for self-service reporting, and connect with other Oktanauts who are passionate about using trusted data to drive growth and unlock advanced analytics use cases while making faster, smarter business decisions. The future is here, and it's driven by data at Okta.
Wow. I love that video for so many reasons.
Thanks, Amy. And so the way we've designed our data and insights organization at Okta is we see a business question behind every data challenge and a person behind every request. And we strongly believe that governance should increase trust and transparency and understanding and speed and inclusion. We know that data cultures have more to do with user experiences than just user requirements. And finally, we always have the humility to know that we don't have all the answers.
Why should companies have a data strategy and why is that so critical to enterprises?
That's a great question, Amy. A good data strategy helps enterprises not just sustain, but succeed in competitive markets. A good data strategy should help drive growth, foster innovation, enhance efficiency, and increase competitive advantage. Customers, as you know, in the SaaS world, can switch providers at any time. And SaaS companies need to collect and connect more variety of data and at a greater speed. They need to apply more predictive and targeted insights throughout the customer journey.
Absolutely. Really helping build that trust within your organization.
Exactly.
I love the point about cultures having more to do with your user experience and that whole human side of data. Can you share one thing you've done to really draw the people out in your organization?
Yeah. So organizations, often talk about business transformation with people, process, and technology. And data is a crucial component which informs the people, process, and technology. It is the secret sauce, right? For example, for us, data is critical to how we are globally accelerating as an organization. It makes our approach smarter and faster. With the focus with data we have at Okta, we now have deep insights into our product utilization. We also have, by using our data, we understand what are the gaps in our processes, which then exacerbate data quality challenges. We've been able to get to the bottom of that. Data is also leveraged to uncover industry insights. We generate an annual report called Businesses at Work. And this report is hugely successful thought leadership tool that our team works on every year and provides insights to our partners, our customers, and peers that look for direction on what tools and technologies to adopt for that organization. So at Okta, we don't think of us as just as the data and insights team. We have an analytics community.
I love that community is near and dear to our heart. So definitely resonates with me for sure. Okay, next. This is all very helpful for data strategy, but where do you see a data catalog coming in and really helping build that data culture within your organization?
That's a great question, Amy. I think of the data catalog as a mirror into our enterprise data soul, right? Organizations, make a lot of investments in data infrastructure and data warehouse and BI and advanced analytics and data quality and predictive modeling and data science. And while they continue to make these investments as organizations grow and scale, data and analytics in organizations get siloed, right? A catalog helps you get from silos to synergies by making data transparent in the enterprise.
So, Noop, how have you seen data catalogs evolve?
Data catalogs have now entered mainstream, Amy, right? Over the last few years, they've evolved from a tool for just finding data sets in the enterprise to a critical component for data governance and an absolute necessity for any organization creating a modern culture for data. In this environment, in this modern culture of data environment, a data catalog instills trust in all the data assets and the analytic outputs that they support and brings together the analytics community. To me, a data catalog is a catalyst to go from silos with data to synergies across the enterprise.
Absolutely. I think we've been seeing that too as we've worked with different organizations. So really, I guess the next question I have for you is, what trends do you see and what advice do you have for the audience today?
Every stage in the data value chain is going through a massive transformation, Amy, right now. From when and how data is generated to consolidating data into a common platform for analysis and for visualization, and how data is used, whether in an automated manner or to serve it to business leaders when they're at a decision point. The algorithms being used in prediction and machine learning have become super accurate and precise over the past few years. And I'm not just talking about, neural networks and deep learning. Even the business intelligence algorithms have come a real long way. And while we are seeing a tremendous innovation through the entire data lifecycle, what is crucial is to ultimately generate better, deeper insights that are deployed to the right part of the business. And creating this closed loop decision making ecosystem, right? You can either connect an insight to a person that can make better decisions, or you can enable systems to leverage data and insights automatically. Using a mixture of these approaches, data truly has become the lifeblood for organizations.
Well, Nip, what's one piece of advice you want to leave our audience with today?
So, Amy, whether you're approaching this question from a business or a data perspective, what's more important is to get deep, deep focus on the customer and understanding of the business value. It's very easy for us technologists to get laser focused on the technology and sometimes miss out the bigger picture, miss the forest for the trees. My recommendation is to the data and analytics professionals that we need to be continuously asking ourselves what are the most important elements for the users and customers to drive business value. And that is why our team's culture is more about user experiences and not user requirements.
I love that. Customers at the heart of it. Definitely think the same way. Thank you very much for joining me today. This has been a pleasure, and it's such a pleasure working with your team.
Thank you for having me, and the feelings likewise. We love working with you, Amy, you and the Data.Pool team. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.